Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their pronunciations. Today, we're tackling the word undulate. It might seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is undulate. Let's break it down. First, we have on, which sounds like the un in under. Next is ju, which sounds like the ju in jump. Finally, late, which rhymes with bait. Now, let's put it all together. Undulate. Try repeating after me. Undulate. Now a little faster, undulate. And at full speed, undulate. Keep practicing, and soon, this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Undulate means to move in waves or to have a smooth, wavy motion, often used to describe how something rises and falls, like the surface of water. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce undulate and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.